Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Vivo Y21, and this is a new budget phone from Vivo which is costing around 28,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range we have 4GB of RAM with a 64GB of internal storage, and yes, and this phone is still overpriced. On the back we have some more specification about the phone, and you can see, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging, and this phone also has a extended RAM feature, only 1GB. Also, and this phone also has a 8mm thick. Also, and the color I have is the metallic blue color, and this phone also manufactured in Pakistan, and the price of the Vivo Y21 is still overpriced in the Pakistan market, and this phone should be around 23,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So now let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y21 in the metallic blue color. And here is the box of the Vivo Y21. On the front it says that Vivo. In the box of the Vivo Y21 it is much different as compared to the Vivo Y20. When you open this box, and the first thing we get one more mini box. Inside of this box we should see a silicone case. Also we get a quick start card, and you can see information about the phone. Also we get a soft silicone case, so that's really good thing. So here is the device, Vivo Y21. Now let's start the phone from this box. Here is the Vivo Y21. Yes, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. Weight of the Vivo Y21, it is not that much. So now let's start the phone from this plastic. So here is the Vivo Y21 in the metallic blue color looks like, and you can see on the back we have a glossy finish. I wish that, and this phone should have a matte finish on the back. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 13 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel macro. We should see ultra wide on this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get and then the phone. So the first thing, we got the charger, and you can see, and guys, and this is a 18 watt fast charger. As you can see, 18 watt. Also we get a cable, and guys, and this is a USB type C cable, USB A to USB type C. No headphones inside the box. Also we get a simulation tool. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Vivo Y21. So here is the Vivo Y21 in the blue color. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. Also the back, it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the top we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber kit, and you can see you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the left hand side we have nothing. On the back again we have a dual cameras. Also the sides of this phone, it is more flat as compared to before. So on the front we have 6.5-inch full HD IPS LCD display with 60 Hz refresh rate. On the top we also have a water drop notch. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo Y21, and you can see, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a IPS LCD display, but the colors, it is, I would say, really average on this phone. Not really good, not really bad. So first let me go to the settings on this phone, and you can see, and the TikTok as well as a snack video, it is already installed on this phone. Now let's uninstall the application in my opinion. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone, and you can see we have a 64GB of internal storage. Also this phone is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing. Now let's go to the internal storage, and you can see we have a 64GB of internal storage out of 16GB almost used on this phone. Also we have 4GB of RAM. We also have extended RAM feature, only 1GB, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. But in this price range we also see a MediaTek Helio G95 in some phones as well. Now let's look at the camera. So here is the camera of the Vivo. Also we have a super macro as well, and you can see which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality in this lighting condition, it is not really good. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. No 4K, no ultra wide on this phone. That's really disappointing. We also have a portrait mode. We also have panorama In the mode section, no night mode, no slow motion on this phone. So now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have a 8 megapixel selfie camera. I like the color production with the front camera as well as the sharpness. And you can see here is the photo looks like on this phone with the front camera. And you can see. So now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. Print scanner also work really fast. And you can see. Now let's talk about the battery size of the Vivo Y21, and this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. Also we have a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. Also we have a 720p IPS LCD display on the front, and this phone gave you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Overall, I have to say that if you are looking for a Vivo phone in this price range, then the Vivo Y21 it is for you. But if you want the best smartphone in this price range, then I don't recommend the Vivo Y21 at any cost. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y21. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.